I made this bread with just 2 ingredients. You don't believe, right? Okay, keep watching. I will show you how to do it. It is very high in protein and super filling, no carbs at all. So it's good for your weight loss journey or weight maintenance if that's what you want to do. You need some eggs for this recipe, peanut butter, baking powder, and vinegar. The 2 extra ingredients, if you don't want to use them, you can leave them. Trust me, you don't want to come out with a flat bread, so you need these 2 ingredients, okay? Now let's get started. First thing you want to do is to grab a bowl. Of course, you will need a bowl because you will not mix these ingredients on the floor. Crack in your 6 eggs. Wait. Have I done my intro? Well, it's Zessy's Kitchen, and I'm just a girl that loves to cook. So welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, have a seat and usher, please go around and share some buns and cook for them. And to my returning subscribers, una when be old taker, make una shop knuckle. So back to business. After I crack the egg, I just set them aside and I'm going to measure out a cup of peanut butter. That's basically what I'm doing right now. You can either use store-bought peanut butter or make yours at home. It's very simple. Just blend your peanuts for a while and it should come out with a creamy, smooth consistency. Afterwards, I brought back the bowl of eggs and I added the peanut butter to it. I'm going to mix this until it is smooth. When you are using store-bought peanut butter, at first it's going to look as if it's not going to come together, but patience is a virtue. So you have to keep going, and it's some kind of arm exercise for my gym girlies, you know what I mean. An eternity later, this is what you should have: smooth, luscious, creamy. Now add in your baking powder. We are using 1 tablespoon of baking powder. If you don't add baking powder, be rest assured you're going to come out with a flat bread and you don't want that. So please add a tablespoon of your baking powder. Now for the vinegar, it's going to kill the egg texture and the eggy taste. You know what I mean? That's what the vinegar does. So add it in and mix. If you have watched up to this point, please do well to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and God bless you. And if you don't, well, I don't know, but your bread might not come out nice. I said what I said. Because subscribing to my YouTube channel is part of this recipe. I forgot to add that at the intro. At the beginning of this video. Now grab your baking pan, grease it, and pour the batter into the pan. Why do I need to tell you? Are you supposed to pour it on my head? Transfer to the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes, and this is what you should have. Bread is ready. Simple as ABCD. Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. And if you are feeling this recipe, you are paying attention, you love this recipe, just comment correct in the comment section, okay? Hold on, we are not done yet. Let's slice into the bread so you can see how fluffy this is. Can you see that? Oh, wow, it's perfect. Hold on a bit longer. Let me answer some questions that might be in your mind. How does it taste? This tastes like peanut butter because the effect of the vinegar has neutralized the eggy taste. But if you are a sweet tooth, you can add some sugar, date, or even honey to this. So will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.